She got upset because of your actions. You got upset because of her reaction to your actions. That's not the same thing. Stop twisting it like she's the one creating negativity just because she's holding you accountable. And don't gaslight her by saying, all you want to do is argue, when she's trying to tell you how your choices make her feel. That's not communication. That's manipulation. That's the kind of behavior that leaves her feeling unheard and unseen. You can't hurt someone, dismiss their pain, and then act like you're the victim for being called out. That's not strength, that's avoidance. And avoidance will slowly destroy the trust you need to stay connected. Own up to what you did. Because accountability isn't an attack. It's the only path to trust, and without it, the relationship will always feel unsafe.